Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you received good service in a shop or store. You should say where the shop is, when you went to the shop, what service you received from the staff, and explain how you felt about the service. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Good customer service is all about building relationships with clients, responding to their requests in a prompt and efficient manner, as well as meeting their needs and expectations. And today, I would like to speak about the exceptional service I received at Campus Footwear Store, which is situated in the heart of my hometown. So prompt means without any delay or quickly. Responding means answering. Exceptional means great or excellent. And we have also used an idiom which is heart of the hometown, which means centrally located. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last month I visited the shoe outlet to purchase matching sandals for my traditional attire that I decided to wear on the occasion of Diwali. So attire means clothes. Outlet means store or shop. Alright, so let's continue. As soon as I entered the store, the guard greeted me with a smile and the floor staff asked me about my needs without wasting a single moment and started showing me shoes accordingly. Moreover, I mentioned to the agent that I have sensitive feet and was looking for some kind of sandals which would be comfortable yet look elegant with my dress. So, elegant means nice or pretty. Additionally, the staff at the store listened to my needs courteously and suggested me some footwear which had cushioned soles to provide me the perfect fit, comfort, as well as look trendy with my outfit. So, courteously means respectfully or politely. Trendy means fashionable, and outfit means again clothes. Furthermore, he also informed me about the ongoing discount on select styles and guided me through the process of signing up for an additional welcome bonus to avail extra discount so that the sandals fall within my budget. So, avail means to get. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I felt over the moon as the staff went above and beyond to fulfill my request, making my shopping experience quite memorable, and I even recommended the shop to my friends and relatives. So, we have used a couple of idioms here. Felt over the moon, which means to be very happy or joyous. And the second one is went above and beyond, which means to do more or better than would usually be expected of someone. Memorable means something that you would remember for a long time, and recommend means to refer. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.